Hello, hello everyone. New magazine has arrived and I wanted to share it with you so that we could look at it together. This is the Simply Cards and Papercraft. Again, I'll put a link down to the store down below in case you guys want to purchase this, but let's just kind of do a quick flip through this one. It includes 144 must-make ideas from the experts, everything from a masculine card, which is perfect because Father's Day is around the corner. Also, try some shaped cards, and of course, step by step through loose watercoloring because we could all definitely use those. And this gorgeous make right here. So also inside, we're going to have some innovative tools and brand new releases. So, ooh, I can't wait to see. And then you're going to combine your spellbinder stamps and dies to create a stunning all occasion card. Okay, so along with that, you're going to get the following goodies. So it's not just a magazine, it also includes goodies for us. Yes, because we love goodies. So you're going to get this gorgeous stamp set, and it's got birdies and florals, and look at those hexagon, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, hexagons, rhombuses, and oh, look at that one, that's gorgeous. Things like just saying and thank you and make a wish, and because you're awesome, spoil yourself, it's on me, happy birthday, of course, some more generic sentiments as well, just for you, hello there friend. And I like how some of them are a little bit smaller because those are perfect for when you're working on smaller projects, things like smaller tags or ATCs, but they also have given us some inspiration there on what to make. Love this little bauble here because of course that can also be used for the holidays. So yes, it's a beautiful stamp set. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. Okay, over 20 stamps. Probably closer to 25 with some beautiful make ideas there, as well as here's some additional inspirations. Oh, look how elegant that is. That would look gorgeous with embossing, and then you could do some watercoloring. Look at this one. Perfect also for bees, right? Because it looks like a honeycomb. Love that. So they use, I see. Okay, I see. They use this stamp here to do the inside of that. And then we are getting a whole set of dies as well from spell binders. And again, there is that matching, those matching pieces, your flowers and the centers, your hello sentiment. You've also got some additional foliage there as well. Oh, that's a cute little butterfly. It could also be a bow. So stinking cute. Of course, you could make this, but you can see how in combination, like here's that hello, right? You can make that as well. And then of course, die cut all your pieces to create those there, as well as some of these. So super pretty, very fun. Great goodies are included. And then you have your beautiful magazine full of great and innovative ideas. Oh, look at some of those makes. Wow, look at that. Look at all these ideas. Oh, look at that one. I love that. I hope it gets into focus. And this one, it's a resist, I'm sure. Of course, there will be full instructions, as you can see. Each one tells you, wow, look at that, where to find the inspiration for making these. Look at that one too. And here's your step-by-step guide. Also on some other elements. What is new is covered. Of course, we also have those gorgeous makes. I simply love the colors. Very pretty. Oh, look how cute that is. The trio. Thank you, with the little birdie and the hello. Very elegant. And it tells you what you'll need. So, I mean, they give you, a breakdown of what you will need, how to make it, all the dimensions, time savers, and tips. So you can easily make these and even mass make them if you'd like. Wow, look at that. So pretty. Very pretty. Here's that one that I'm in love with. I love that idea. I might have to borrow that inspiration for a bee card that I like to make. And then of course, some of the ideas from, wow, letters from around the world. Advertisements, of course, so you know, but look at that floral. Isn't that beautiful? Great florals. And of course, they have a full step-by-step breakdown. Wonderful watercoloring. I'm trying to hold this at an angle so you guys can hopefully see it. Oh, how cute, that little fairy. Wow, look at that one. What a great idea, right? Again, even if you do not have the specific supplies, it is just great to get the inspiration to cut up that window and then be able to stick the flowers coming through. So beautiful, as well as this one. I like this one too with the vellum. So the magazine is full of inspirations and tips. Here's a master blending colors in large images. So it basically guides you through that process. If that is something that you struggle with, well, guess what? Oh, look at this, step by step, wow, fold by fold on how to make this gorgeous project from scratch. Love it. Here's another one. It's using those little birdies and stuff that are here, of course, in the stamp set and your die set as well. What a great idea. You can make party bags. You can make an origami gift bag. It shows you the folds step by step as well. Got some beautiful makes here. Again, great inspiration, great colors, beautiful cards. Craft with Sam. I love her little doggy, Monty. So cute. And here are some of those beautiful cards that Sam is famous for doing, of course. She's got some amazing ones. Here's some, it looks like Hunky Dory. Yes, it is. Beautiful. Sunshine Meadow. So here's a design idea. Some Lavinia stamps. So you've got all kinds of, oh, here we go. We're going to kick into the watercolors. And this is by Teresa Auden. Fabulous ideas in watercoloring. Wow, look at that. Watercoloring is not my forte, so it's nice that they have, you know, different ideas, different things that you can dip into. Some stuff might not be your thing, and that's okay, but others can definitely serve into inspirations. And even if you just try it, why not? What a great way to use some of those dies. Look at that. Again, in the cutout, you can basically use somewhere else. I love that idea because you do not waste, right? Oh, how cute. The little opening vents and the little tiles. See, that's what I meant by smaller things. So if you're making a card like this and you're doing little tiles, it's nice to have some smaller sentiments or smaller things too. Again, great ideas. Look at those. All of these are done with this right here. So you have tons of inspirations. Love that one too. I made something very similar to that. Huh? How interesting. I just realized it's very similar. But again, it's different, so that's cool because I can get some ideas and make another one. Here they're showing you how to make that crisscross one. How pretty. And you have the birdie ones. Once upon a time. Crafter, stamping enthusiast, and illustrator, Julie Hickey. Great to find out about other artists too, what inspires them. Oh, I like that one. Very clean and simple, but very nice. I love. Oh, look at these Japanese dreams and those colors. That is so pretty. And there's a brand new line coming out. I'm sure most of you have probably seen it. From Ciao Bella, which has got an oriental theme, so that would be really good to use some ideas with as well. Again, different layouts, different shapes of cards. Here they are, full size with the full breakdown again of what you'll need so you can gather your supplies, and then step by step on how to make them with a nice, beautiful, full-size photo for you to be able to replicate, of course. And look at that one. That's so pretty. Very elegant. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed that flip through. This is issue 253 of Cards and Papercraft, Simply Cards and Papercrafts. And again, I will put a link down below if you are interested in purchasing this beautiful set, this magazine full of inspiration, as well as the extra goodies that are included. We will have them in store for you. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.